What's going on YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you with another build update on the OS2U Kingfisher. So tonight, worked and got pretty much everything ready to go for the engine compartment. Got the interior green here on those, and got the engine detail painted up. Got chrome around the center section. Try to get this to focus. There we go. So rubber black on the rubber lines that run between the cylinders, and then went ahead and got the front spindle all ready to go, flat black on those, just for a little bit of contrast of colors of black. Also worked to get the exhausts completed, so I got those built up, and also went ahead and got them painted. Utilized Mr. Color's burnt iron, and then just completed, or just did a wash with the dark brown from Tamiya. There's the other exhaust system. I'm going to come back tomorrow after everything's dry with some weathering powder, some rust, and just lightly give this thing a coat of some dark red rust. Also gave this a coat of the dark brown wash. Got the accessories for the back of the engine pretty well ready to go here. That, this part here. And I apologize, I don't know the specific names, although I do know these two are the magnetos, so got those ready to go, as well as all of the intakes as well, or cooling lines, I should say, for the oil coolers, or for the oil lines. So those are all ready to go. Tomorrow I'm going to basically be working to assemble the engine. Also went through, got the interior green on all of the front panels, so those are ready to be mounted once I have the engine built and attached to the airframe. Went ahead, and while I was looking at it, I didn't like how this looked. Didn't look grimed out enough for my liking, so I went ahead and give it another wash of the dark brown. I think that pretty much does it there. So the front here is all ready to go. So, yeah, doesn't seem like probably a lot of progress, but again, getting all of the silver down, all of the interior greens down. Went ahead and actually did them in two colors, so like the accessories are all done in Tester's magnesium, while the oil lines here, they are all done in a dark aluminum. So again, just kind of give a little variation to the different colors and stuff like that. Plus, like I said, got the green down, so just quick transitions for that. If anybody's wondering how I do my transitions for airbrushing, just straight lacquer thinner that you can find at your local DIY shop. Does great for this. So I think the I can't see the name of it, but yeah, like I said, it's just no-name brand lacquer thinner. Got that tip from a buddy of mine who builds 72nd. So, yeah, moving along quite nicely. Should have, again, the aircraft fully together with the engine. I'll probably go through, get the floats all assembled and put on, and then we'll get this thing starting into paint here within the next, probably not next episode. Next episode is probably going to be just getting the engine on, and then we'll be into paint. So I will see you in the next one. Peace.